Hello Technoholics. For more videos, please subscribe.
Hello everyone. In my previous videos, I have discussed about list and string in Python. Now in this video, I am going to discuss about tuples. So what is a tuple? Tuple is a built-in data type in Python. It contains sequence of elements like list. First of all, we'll know how to declare a tuple. I am giving the tuple name as tup, and for declaring the tuple, we are going to use this parenthesis. Inside that, I'm going to give some random values. After that, I'm going to print the tuple. As you can see over here, the values which I have given is now assigned to a tuple. Also, you might have noticed that for assigning a list of value, I am using a parenthesis over here, whereas in list we used to use square brackets. Now accessing a element in tuple. So accessing an element is quite similar like we used to do in list. I will give the tuple name. Suppose I want to access the second element, I will give the index number of second element, that is 1, and I will just print it. What is the output? Yes, it is giving us 2. Now you must be thinking, why tuple? As this also contains a series of elements like list. Then what is the difference between tuple and list? So before we jump to the discussion, let me tell you guys that this question is also asked by a lot of interviewers nowadays, that what is the difference between list and tuples. So guys, pay attention now what I am going to say. So list is mutable, or in other words, it can be changed. Whereas tuples are immutable, or it cannot be changed. It supports only function like count and index. So guys, here by mutable it means that the values inside the list can be changed. Like we have seen in the previous tutorials, like that we were using some functions to change the values, and also we have seen that we can get the index number and assign. Suppose I have to change the value of the second element, I will give list name and then the index number li, and in the square bracket I will give 2 and I will assign some value to it. Whereas in tuple we cannot access the element and assign value to it. And also we can use some limited functions like count and index which does not change the tuple values. Okay. Lists are slower because it is allocated in two blocks. One is of fixed size and the other is of variable size for storing data. As also we have seen in our previous tutorials that how the values are getting assigned into the list. In the list we basically store the reference variables, whereas the original value is present in some other location and the reference variable contains the address of that values. Okay, tuples are faster because it is allocated in one block, and as far the memory is concerned, if you see, since the list are using two blocks, so it will be using more memory, and the tuples are more memory efficient as compared to the list. Now I'm going to discuss about those two or three differences which I have mentioned just now about list and tuples. You can see over here as well that list is mutable, whereas tuples are immutable. List lower, tuples faster. List more memory, tuples memory efficient. In this example, I have shown, if you closely look into this, there is a list called li and I am assigning three values to it, 1, 2, 3. Then I am assigning to the second element the value as 5, reassigning it. And then I am just printing to check whether it is giving me the new value or not. It should come as 153. The same thing I am assigning value to tuple 1, 2, 3, and I'm accessing the second element of the tuple. Also friends, I would like to mention that the way we access the tuple or list value is same using a square bracket. Earlier also when I did this example to access the second element, I used this square bracket. So similarly I'm using a square bracket just to access the element, then I'm trying to reassign the value as 5 and then I will try to print it. So first I will just do it for the list. Yes, the output is coming. Now I'm going to do the same for the tuples. And I'm just removing this part for now. So tuple object does not support item assignment. That means we cannot change the value in the tuple. Okay. I will discuss about the second point, that why tuples are faster and memory efficient. If you closely look in this diagram of tuples and lists, the first figure is this one is a tuple, whereas the second figure is a list. So if you define a tuple, it means that it contains all the value inside one block, whereas a list contains two values in the two blocks. One contains the reference of it and the other contains the actual value. So that is why lists are less memory efficient and it takes more time because it has some referencing inside it. Also, I would like to inform you friends that tuple is a immutable, but the object in a tuple can be mutable. I will explain it with an example. For example, suppose I have a list and in that list I have three values, that is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and then I am giving that list to a tuple. Okay, I am just putting that list into a tuple and then also along with some other elements like 6, 7, 8. So this tuple now contains this list 1, 2, 3, comma 6, comma 7, comma 8. Okay, and then what I am doing over here is I am just assigning or adding some value at the end of the list. Append function adds value at the end of the list with the two values, that is 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5, and we are adding the values after adding the list to the tuple. So the tuple now already contains the list and I'm adding after that, after adding it to the tuple. So we will look whether it will work or not. See, it is giving me correct output. So it is working even after adding the list to the tuple, and then I'm just appending at the end of the list the values 4 and 5. Still it is working. Now coming to the part where how we can assign different types of tuples or declare different types of tuple. This is an empty tuple. The first tuple is an empty tuple. Here we will just write the two parentheses and we'll try to assign it. Okay, and then we can assign it with a string. We can create an tuple with a list values, and also we'll just print it. So basically here I'm trying to show you that there are different ways we can assign or declare a tuple. First I'm declaring a tuple just with and assigning nothing into that. I'm just declaring an empty tuple, and then I'm declaring a tuple and then I'm just assigning two string value to it. And already I have shown you that we can assign some integers value also. Any value, whatever value we want, we can assign over there. And now I'm just showing you that if there is a list and I want to assign that list to a tuple, that we can do over here. So I would also like to add one more point, which is a more real life scenario, that after looking into this tutorial, what have you realized? That what is the basic difference between tuple and list? The basic difference between tuple and list are tuples are immutable, whereas lists are mutable. So in real life scenario where the number of data are very high, extensively high data sets are there, and you know that these data sets are not going to change and you're sure about that, then you should in fact always use tuples, because as tuples are faster in faster, it will be faster for data processing, and it is also memory efficient. So if we are sure that we are not going to change any value inside the list, inside that data, then we should always prefer tuple over list. And if we need some value modification or something, then we should always use list. So that is why that is what is the basic difference between list and tuples, and that is why we are going to use both. So that's all friends, hope you have enjoyed it, and keep learning, keep sharing it with your friends, and keep supporting me. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.